What's up guys? We're preparing for the FAMAS Awards tonight. Naka-long gown tayo, naka-hairdo, putok na makeup kasi we're nominated for Best Actor.
Ito rin nakakapanabik na tagpo ng gabi ito.
FAMAS for Best Actor goes to
Vice Ganda and the
Vice
Breadwinner!
Thank you so much, FAMAS, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. May this trophy, may this recognition, may this award inspire all the queer kids to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you are limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless.
Hindi ka laging ipapapanalo ni Lord sa oras o pagkakataong gusto mo. Ipapanalo ka niya sa tamang pagkakataon. Kasi
Perfect
siya yung nakakaalam kung kailan.
Yeah.
Parang, maybe I should have won this award noon pa, pero baka hindi ko kailangan noon. Sabi ko, ay, maybe he made me win because he wanted to redeem me.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung gano'n, parang, ay, ang galing, ang galing, galing. Ang galing lang talaga nung timing. Nakakakilabot siya. Nakakilabot. Lord, thank you for making me win, 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 no matter what.
Yeah.
Very